As you guys can see, I'm in my private vehicle. Went home. My second student, he's going to be upgrading on Monday. Hopefully he's going to do just fine. He's probably going to watch this video after I get it uploaded. But decided to go out, do a little bit of shopping. My jeans weren't fitting me very well. And decided to buy this remote mount for the DJI drone, because my phone does not like to fit inside the controller. My phone is the Note 8, which is what I'm using right now to record this. The Note 8 is a really big phone. Anyway, so I went over to the Deuce Trading, and $200 later, I got a pair of jeans, and I actually got two pairs of their fire hose pants. So I kind of will do a review on those later. I'm wearing one right now. They're actually pretty comfortable, and there's already a hair. Anyway, so I'll kind of let you guys know what I think of those as I go along. I've never worn this brand before of anything, and I'm tired of going through jeans. And you know, they're saying that they have a unlimited warranty, size, whatever, it doesn't matter. So we'll test that out and see how it goes, and yeah, I'll update it periodically. Anyway, I'm going back over to the house. Oh, sorry, I just hit the steering wheel, which is what I'm resting my hand on. So I'm heading back over to the house soon. I might go do some fishing. If I do, I'll do some video of it. Maybe not. I have no idea. But the truck has the new KW has to go into the shop for some warranty work. And then when I get the truck back, there's some updates I'm going to give y'all on it. I drove it now for about a week and a couple days. A few issues have popped up. A few things that are a little annoying have came up. And so I'm going to kind of do like a comparison video between the 2016 Freightliner and the 2019 KW. And we'll just kind of go, I'll probably do 2 or 3 videos of that, kind of breaking it down. I'm not sure. I'm still kind of like torn on that. But anyway, just had lunch. I'm going back. I'm done for the day. Hell yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that like button twice if you like Chipotle Mexican Grill.